We are pleased to show you the 2020 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, adaptive headlights, daytime running lights, remote engine start, remote power door locks, rear wiper, navigation system, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter. Come take a test drive today.